Aokeray can complete the extrusion, injection molding, medical device assembly, production and R&D of high-temperature fluorine materials for you. Medical-grade PTFE FEP heat shrinkable tube, TPU, PEBAX, PP, PEB produced by Aokeray has different types, include single cavity tube, single cavity reducer, inner diameter range from 0.001 inch to 0.8 inch, outer diameter 0.007 inch to 1.0 inch, wall thickness range 0.0003 inch to 0.27 inch, tolerance range plus minus 0.0007 inch to plus minus 0.004 inch, in which the wall thickness of PTFE thin wall etching tube is 0.0098 inch. The shrinkage ratio of FEP heat shrinkable pipe is 2 to 1, 1.6 to 1, and 1.3 to 1 respectively, which has reached the quality of replacing PTFE FEP pipe imported from the United States. We are a team of positive cohesion. Our skilled technician and experienced product engineers will guarantee the quality of your products from the production to final inspection. Now we have actively promoted the substitution of imported medical devices for the China market, and by now we have more than 30 long-term partners in the medical devices industry in China and other regions worldwide. Whether you are still in the product development stage or seeking for new opportunities with different suppliers, your requirements and needs are always welcomed. Aokeray is always excited to work with you to improve your market competitiveness and together welcome a new challenging era.